Thinking of opening a bank account? Skip the traffic and the bank lines. You can now open a Maybank iSave account straight from your phone.
iSave is the first account in the Philippines that you can open purely via the app. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng branch at all. All you have to do is to download the Maybank to UPH app. And from there, may button nakalagay, open an iSave account. Click it, fill up a few information, and then take your selfie. Kunan mo yung sarili mo, selfie. And then take a photo of your valid government ID and i-submit, and in 24 banking hours, meron ka ng iSave account. No need to go to the branch at all. When the account is open, the ATM card will be sent to your address.
Other than its convenient sign-up process, the Maybank iSave also has perks beyond the average bank account.
It does not require any initial deposit. So you can open the account now and then deposit ka muna lang next time. Pwede yan. It does not require any maintaining balance. With the iSave ATM card, you can withdraw from any ATM in the Philippines for free. Wala siyang charge. And also, kung lalabas ka ng Philippines, since Maybank is present in all ASEAN countries, kapag nagpunta ka sa Malaysia, sa Singapore, and sa Cambodia, makakapag-withdraw ka pa rin ng free doon sa Maybank ATMs. So this is truly a digital account na nasa labas na ng constraints ng branches.
If you open a Maybank iSave account now, you can also take part in their iSave, iShop, iFly promo.
As mentioned, for every 10,000 FTE that's monthly average daily balance that an account holder is saved in their iSave account, they automatically are qualified to join the Raffle. So walang kailangan registration, walang kailangan coupon that they have to fill out.
Just have a balance of 10,000 pesos and you will be able to join the 3 preliminary raffle draws on April, June, and August. The preliminary draws have prizes of 300,000 pesos for the first place, 200,000 pesos for the second place, and 100,000 pesos for third place. The grand prize winner will get a travel package worth 1 million pesos in their country of choice. The Maybank 2UPH app is now available in Google Play and App Store. Sign up for a Maybank iSave account now. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Rayed Guzman.